Welcome to MyVirtualHome. This short video will show you how to place measurements in MyVirtualHome. Clicking on the Rooms menu at the top of the menu here, you can select rooms to place into the MyVirtualHome scene. As you click on the corner of one of those rooms, the measurements are displayed in either imperial or metric as you drag the room to whichever dimension you like. If you click on a wall and move it, just the two dimensions are shown as shown there. Clicking another room together, in this case here I've added a hallway. I can make it smaller, and I can make this one bigger. Should I wish to see these wall dimensions, I can click on the floor, come up here to Customize, click on Customize and tick this box here which says Wall Measurements Visible. That then shows the wall measurements. The wall measurements on this room, however, are not shown. Control W is the keyboard shortcut to show those wall measurements, or once again we could click on the Wall Measurements Visible checkbox as required. So Control W to bring that one on to the screen. We may add another room to the design. Let's just place a bedroom in here so that we've got some furniture as well. And we'll bring that one down to something like that, where we can see our little design coming together. We may wish to measure an angle across the house. Up here is a measurement tool, and where it says measure, this brings a ruler tool. I click on the corner, I drag to the other corner, and it shows me that it's 6.6 meters from one corner diagonally to the other. We may alternately wish to measure the outside dimension, something like this, to show that it is 7.4 from one point to another. Once you have your dimensions in place, you may wish to show those dimensions to someone else, and you can do this a couple of ways. Control and space actually remove everything on the screen as shown there. I can then zoom myself in to where I want it to be, and then by simply pressing the print screen button and opening up an email or a Word document, in this case Word, and pasting that image directly in. Once you've got one image pasted there, you may wish to come back to MyVirtualHome, have a look at it from a different angle. Let's put the roof on. Perhaps we want to have a photograph about that angle there or something like that. Once again, Control and space to remove the user interface, print screen, back to my Word document, and paste. So now I have a document with a couple of different floor plan and an elevation shot in it. Another way of sharing with MyVirtualHome is to use the built-in print functionality. So if I'm back to my overhead view here, and turn the roof off, and we've got all our measurements shown here. If I click on File and Print Home. When I click on Print Home, it brings up my print driver. I'm going to print this actually as a PDF. So I'm going to say Print to my PDF driver. It's going to open up. I'm going to say I want it to print quality and create PDF. I'm going to call it, I'm going to save it onto my desktop. I'm going to call it MBH1. I'm going to say save, say overwrite, and then I can open up that one from my desktop. As you can see, I've actually created a PDF document there on the fly, which obviously I could email to someone, which has all of my dimensions on it as well. Finally, should I wish to save the house and share it in the 3D format that is MyVirtualHome, clicking on File and Save to Home Share, I'll actually save that house to the online server. Once the house is actually uploaded to the online server, you'll notice in your Load from Home Share that house has actually been given a unique number, and it's been given a code. If I click on Copy to Clipboard, it actually copies that URL to my clipboard. Once again, opening an email, or notepad in this case, and then pasting will give you a link to that house. The other people can click on that house and they can open it up and go for a walk through it. That's sharing your measurements in MyVirtualHome. I hope you've enjoyed that short presentation. Thank you.